Hello fellow travelers and welcome back to Our Big's Adventure. My name is Cynthia and it is early on Saturday morning, November 20th, and we're doing a 20-day check-in for the No Spend November Challenge. So if you're ready, press the like button and let's get to work. Today is November 20th. There it is, November 20th. Let's see what the fridge looks like. I have not prepared. Oh my gourd. Okay. We have plenty of condiments still. Condiments are looking great. Very excited. Yes, yes, yes. Still have some of this. We have a few potatoes. Enough for Thanksgiving, I think. There's a sad zucchini. I need to make muffins out of that right now. Got some apples and some pears. This is a piece of cornbread. Mr. Biggs needs to eat that. This is ham for broccoli and cheese soup with ham. And this is turkey that we're gonna make turkey salad out of. Bacon, I need to cook this off. Cranberry juice, dog food for Cookie. Oh, there's still a cabbage back there. This is pizza left over from last night. Cat food. What's in here? Oh, it's half of a thing of ground turkey that I'm gonna use to make Cookie's dog food this week. Peppers and onions, still two good things of eggs. This is coffee grounds and eggshells for the garden. Can of baked beans that I opened yesterday, some yellow rice. So we're gonna be eating some like rando stuff up for lunch. It's gonna be a very weird lunch. Sandwich basket, it's getting pretty empty, but that's okay. We're good with that. Pepperoni left over from last night's pizza, some spaghetti sauce, that has to go in the freezer. Almond milk, and Mr. Big switched to apple juice this week to get it used up because we're not buying orange juice this week. There's that. Okay, here is, oh, more bacon. I like to buy bacon. The cheese is kind of getting down there a little bit. Last night we had a pizza and used up a block of the mozzarella. Got some green peppers. This is for soup. More bacon, more stuff, more everything. It's not looking too bad though. And then we got medicine and all kinds of stuff. The light bill came in at $86 this month. Very pleased with that for a double wide mobile home. The internet bill is always $75 and my streaming subscriptions came out. Point grocery haul for No Spend November. Look at what I got. 2 things of eggs. I got some bananas. These 2 packs of cheese, they were $3.99, buy one, get one free, so $2, $2. This fries, a bag of fries. Mr. Biggs requested some actual like store-bought French fries for the air fryer. I got these for him and they were $3.69. I got a ham, y'all. It's more than I wanted to pay for it, but that's okay. I really just wanted to get a ham, get it sliced and put it in the freezer. So this was $14.82. So the ham, $14.82, that ended up going on another ticket and I lost my receipt. This, $12.51 for fries, cheese, bananas, and 2 eggs. And then at Publix, I spent $6.12 on this gorgeous little turkey. Look at it, it's so cute. So adorable. 49 cents a pound. I was so excited to see a small turkey. I saw a few big ones, but I was really happy to get a small one. That is the update for No Spend November, the very first little grocery haul. Did we need the fries? No. Did we need the cheese? No. Did we need the ham? I don't know. I have $66.55 left. There we have that. No Spend meal plan ready to go, and we've been doing so well and I am really proud of us. Here's the sticky bit. Mr. Biggs made $25 fixing an engine for somebody that he knows. It was a quick fix and he made 25 bucks. So he decided that with his $25 he was gonna buy some special food tonight for movie night. He bought these steaks, which I can't wait to eat. I'm very excited, I love steak. He bought this fudge, which is my favorite, the butter pecan fudge. And he bought these French fries for himself. I probably won't be able to eat these because I'm pretty sure they have gluten in them, but I did have the other fries. So he spent a total of $15 out of his $25 on some fun stuff. We did go to the United Methodist Church Fair. We go every year, and we knew this event was coming. So I gave myself a budget of $20 to spend at the fair, and Mr. Biggs had $10, so he spent $10 on this cup, and he bought a little tiny bundt cake, and you know this has gluten in it, but he doesn't need to do the gluten thing. He bought this little guy for $1, a little bundt cake. So that was the remainder of his $25 that he had. I had $20 and I spent $10 on this mug, and it's super cute. We have a Jeep, so I love this. That's funny. This little guy was $2. This was $5. This guy is a local artist, and this is a miniature painting. It's really pretty. I really like it. And then I got 3 pairs of earrings, which I don't need earrings. Let's just be real, especially not owl earrings. I think I have 4 pairs. I love these. They're super sparkly, because who doesn't love a little sparkle? And some cute little Christmas earrings. Those were $1. So this represents my $20. Of course, you know, we brought our to-go beverages with us so we wouldn't be tempted to spend. Something always has to break during no spend, and this week it was my food processor. The bottom came unattached, and Mr. Biggs fixed it with his industrial glue gun. We got loads of veggies out of the garden this week. That is a huge savings on the grocery bill. I know you guys saw the beef stew video where I used up these green beans. We ended up turning our heater on this week. Thankfully, we had already stocked up on propane. I spent $14.82 on this gorgeous ham. Lots of meals went into the freezer from that. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you got something out of the video. This No Spend November has been awesome for me. I did not make any payments days 10 through 20, but get ready for day 22 through 30 because I'm making a whopper. Thank you again, and remember everybody, life is an adventure, so enjoy your journey. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.